Hey everybody, welcome to Drinkin' Drips. We've got another unboxing episode. It's going to be our last in the line of unboxings from the Unheardof brand. You can catch some of our other unboxings. We got some pretty cool shoes. This is our last one. They actually sold out for the most part in the sizes that me or Thomas wears. So this last one, we got the $100 box, and we decided to go with a little bit more expensive box to see what we could find, and we'll just see what happens. I did cut the tape off the box, so we'll see what's inside so we could save a little time. Again, Unheardof brand selling these mystery boxes to go straight to their employees because of COVID-19. Nice. Solid move on behalf of their part. They have some cool clothing and shoes available. They pick some great stuff. We suggest that you go there soon and buy something from them. So we got the box right here. Let's see what's inside. We got some Nikes. Oh, Nikes. Oh, what could it be? What could it be? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Look at that beautiful shoe. Now the experts may know what the shoe is. Look at that beautiful color. It's a purple. Got the black. Really fresh white. Look at that tongue. That is a gorgeous shoe. That is gorgeous. Now, let's see what this is. This is a Nike Air Max 1 DNA Chapter 1. Now, what I'm going to do is stop the video here, do a little bit of research. The problem is, I think I'm going to hold on to these shoes. We've put some of the other ones on eBay, but I really like this pair. We're going to try to get a comment from Thomas. So let's pause the video for just a moment so I can get some research done.
Alright guys, it's me Thomas from Drinks and Drip, and I'm just supposed to give my take on the shoe, the Air Max 1 DNAs in the purple colorway that my dad got. And I think the model itself is really unique, a new take on the Air Max 1, a classic sneaker, but the color blocking is good. The colors go good together, but purple just isn't really that, I wouldn't wear purple. I like purple, but I wouldn't buy the shoe in that colorway. But a good take on the shoe. It's really interesting. I don't think it's that expensive, so that's a plus. And yeah, I got a new desk, so if the kind of setup looks different, then that's why. So expect this now. That being said, I'll take it back to my dad.
And we're back, and I just did some research on our beautiful shoe. Again, this beautiful Air Max. Look at that. And I was going to say, this kind of reminds me of some cool shoes that I saw when I was a kid. And sure enough, the Nike Air Max 1 DNA Chapter 1 converges with fellow renegade, the Air Huaracha Run, incorporating iconic details and materials like that soft neoprene tongue, which I gotta admit, this is really cool. You don't see that much. It's like silky smooth.
Smoother than your grandpa's head.
Foam rubber midsole gives you a plush underfoot feel. I just slid them on between the previous recording and doing the history, and they are super comfortable. You know, I see a lot on Instagram, these people that are like crazy, like fans of the Nike Air Max, and I can kind of see what they're talking about. It's called a purple punch, white, black colorway. The Air technology they first introduced in 1978, and in 1987 the Air Max 1 debuted with Air technology in the heel, which I totally remember as a kid right there. That was like, whoa, there's air in the heel. That's so cool. I remember that when I was a little guy. So it's got the really good color combination. Of course, Tinker Hatfield, a guy who, if you saw the unboxing for Thomas from his birthday, he has designed almost all of the iconic Nike shoes. Just a really amazing designer, been at Nike for decades. And it was interesting is he wanted to combine the fit of a neoprene water ski boot with the functionality of a South American sandal. So you know that slick feeling or seeing the ski suits? That's what that material is on the toe of the shoe, which is really cool. And then of course, since then, say no more. History speaks for itself. The Nike Air has been around forever. Everybody loves them. They're super comfortable, and I'm not getting rid of these. I will be holding on to these, and I'm going to wear them because I think they're really neat. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Go visit unheardof.com. This shoe, the Nike Air Max DNA, 100% love it. And I showed off some friends in the meantime. They love the color. Got way positive feedback. So great shoe, still available on Nike. $130 retail, so Unheardof did a solid. We get basically like $30 under retail, went for a good cause. So until next time, drinks and drips for life.